she ratchet.
Give me phone. I take this type of picture.
Ooh, she ratchet.
Got it. I'm about to put this thing on Twitter.
See, you ratchet.
I ain't got time for this. I'm too grown.
See, you ratchet.
Boy, bye. Not with them shoes.
Because you ratchet.
Ooh, I just want to punch her in her face.
Ooh, she ratchet.
Oh, she's too fake.
Girl, let me tell you what I got my mentor.
Girl, what?
A baby boy, and it came with a sister.
Uh-uh.
Girl, yes, I'm pregnant, but I still hit the club in the middle
What's
of
up? I had to look cute today. I'm buying jeans for boots today.
That's
People
right.
looking good 'cause my baby they just made bail. He a Thug Hill shoes
That's
today.
right.
New baby need new shoes today. Child support get 2 today.
Ratchet.
Yes, sir. Did you get that glue today?
You know it.
Gon' be fed up. Move and get out my way. I got food stamps, got a brand new piercing, brand new tap. $95 for this weed plus tax. Bow! Better thing on what's name a thong. Get it? I can't come on. Thinking that you better than I am, well then you think wrong. Whatever.
Bye.
She lie. My number, boy, bye.
Hey,
Hey girl, you look good. Turn around, let me see what you're working with. Get it, girl.
Bye. We'll talk to you later.
OMG, what do she have on?
She ratchet.
Her lace front is all wrong.
Cause she ratchet.
Give me phone, gotta take this type of picture.
Ooh, she ratchet.
Got it. I'm about to put this girl on Twitter.
Cause she ratchet. Because I ain't got time for this.
I'm too grown.
See, you ratchet.
Now with them shoes on.
Ooh, she ratchet.
Oh, damn, punch her in the face. Oh, she too fake. My name is Emmanuel, but my girlfriends call me Kari.
Alright.
W411, drinking and we party. Yes, I in the baddest. You can't have this boo-boo sorry. Cause 2 Chainz is my future baby daddy.
Mari.
I got my jersey dress on. Jordan heels match my press on.
Alright.
Pound team, dark skin. Oh, we don't like them red
What you
bones.
say?
Stop flipping my picture. New wave, you got glitter. Hit me up on Facebook and follow me on Twitter.
Get at
I'm a
me.
team flip phone. Team Chris Brown. If she don't shut it up, then it's team shut it down.
Okay.
I'm team bad chick. Team with your man, and if he got a lot of money, then it's team he
Hey,
paying.
that's right.
OMG, what do she have on?
She ratchet.
Boy, bye, not with them shoes on.
Ooh, she ratchet.
Oh, I just want to punch her in her face.
Ooh, she ratchet.
Oh, I can't stand her. She too fake.
Cause she ratchet.